Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Self Appreciation. Thank you for watching. And today I wanted to talk about self-love practices, which this is the journey I am right now. So I want to share some tips that have helped me. The first one is take a fancy bubble bath. I took a nice bubble bath, put some pink salt, essential oil, candles, music. It was just so refreshing and relaxing. It was amazing. Everything for everybody is different, but this really helped me a lot. There's so many different practices, so I'm gonna keep on sharing with y'all guys what will help you. And if you need any advice, you can always email me. Alright, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you. Bye.